Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to buy Toncoin on Tonkeeper wallet app. It's a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure you've already downloaded the Tonkeeper app. If you haven't, you can easily download it from the App Store or the Play Store. After you download the app, launch the app on your phone. Once you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. If you don't have any account yet, you can easily create an account here. Once you are logged in, you will see this dashboard. Here you can see the Toncoin option, tap on it. Next up, you will see a receive icon over here. Tap on it. You will see a QR code which you can share with others to receive Toncoins. Or, if you directly want to buy Toncoins, here you can see buy and sell option, tap on it. At the top, you can see buy Ton option. In this section, there are several options through which you can buy Toncoin. From here, you can choose your preferred option to buy Toncoin. For now, I'll select MoonPay. Tap on Open MoonPay. Over here, you can enter the amount of money that you want to spend. You can even select the currency. Right now, US dollar is selected. If you tap on it, you can select your preferred local currency. So once you select the currency and enter your preferred amount, right below that, you will see the equivalent Toncoins you will receive from your spending. Once everything is finalized, you can tap on Continue. Now you need to add a payment method. Enter your payment card details over here. Enter your card number, its expiry date, and its CVC number. And once you're done, here you can see the Continue option. Tap on it, and you can proceed further to buy Toncoins. Once everything is verified, you will receive Toncoins in your account. So that's it. That's how you can buy Toncoin in Tonkeeper wallet app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.